Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Xiaomi 17 Pro and the iPhone Air. Which flagship packs the most punch? The Xiaomi with its insane 6300 mAh battery and dual display setup, or the iPhone Air boasting a sleek titanium frame and dynamic island? Today, we're diving into display tech, chipset power, camera prowess, battery life, build quality, memory options, and standout features. Which one truly dominates in screen brilliance, processing speed, photography, and innovation? Stick around because the real question is, can Xiaomi's massive battery and secondary display outshine Apple's polished ecosystem and photographic finesse? Let's find out. The Xiaomi 17 Pro dazzles with a 6.3-inch LTPO AMOLED main display pushing a stunning 3500 nits peak brightness, plus a unique secondary 2.7-inch AMOLED screen on the back, perfect for notifications and quick interactions. In contrast, the iPhone Air's slightly larger 6.5-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display offers top-tier brightness up to 3500 nits peak and the innovative Dynamic Island feature, enhancing user interaction. Xiaomi's dual display setup, combined with Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus support, gives it an edge in versatility and sheer visual power, making it a standout for multimedia lovers. Under the hood, Xiaomi's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset flexes with an octa-core CPU clocked up to 4.61 GHz and the powerful Adreno 840 GPU, delivering blistering performance and gaming prowess. Meanwhile, the iPhone Air runs on Apple's A19 Pro with a hexa-core CPU and a 5-core Neural Engine GPU optimized for smooth efficiency and AI tasks. Xiaomi's higher core count and clock speed suggests a raw performance advantage, especially for multitasking and heavy-duty applications. Xiaomi 17 Pro impresses with a versatile triple 50-megapixel camera array, including a periscope telephoto lens offering 5x optical zoom, perfect for capturing distant details. The iPhone Air's main shooter is a 48-megapixel wide sensor with sensor shift OIS, delivering superb image stabilization and color accuracy. Xiaomi's combination of wide, ultra-wide, and periscope lenses gives it a clear upper hand in zoom capabilities and photographic flexibility. Xiaomi's Leica Summilux optics, laser autofocus, and a Light Hunter 950 sensor bring incredible detail and dynamic range, pushing 16.5 EV and backlit portrait modes that shine in challenging light. The iPhone Air counters with sensor shift OIS, Smart HDR5, and next-gen portrait controls, but Xiaomi's advanced telephoto zoom and color spectrum sensor elevates its camera system to a pro-level toolkit. The Xiaomi 17 Pro dominates with a massive 6300 mAh battery that promises extended usage without compromise, compared to the iPhone Air's more modest 3149 mAh cell. This huge capacity means Xiaomi users can game, stream, and multitask longer. No question, Xiaomi leads in battery endurance and power management. While Xiaomi uses Dragon Crystal glass on front and back with an aluminum frame, the iPhone Air sports a premium ceramic shield front, titanium grade 5 frame, and ceramic shield back, offering superior durability and a luxurious feel. Apple's choice of titanium not only boosts strength, but keeps the device lightweight and sleek, making its build quality a highlight for those valuing premium materials. Both phones offer high-end memory configurations up to 1 TB storage and 16 GB RAM, but Xiaomi provides a wider range with options including 12 GB and 16 GB RAM variants, catering to power users needing serious multitasking muscle. This flexibility gives Xiaomi a slight edge for enthusiasts craving top-tier specs. Xiaomi's standout features include its Magic Back screen for quick content access, AI real-time translation, and advanced vapor chamber cooling, ensuring peak performance under load. The iPhone Air counters with emergency SOS via satellite, an action button for customizable controls, and a second-generation ultra-wideband chip, enhancing spatial awareness. Xiaomi's AI-driven tools and secondary display add a futuristic flair that could redefine user interaction.